Welcome to an informal chat over coffee to discuss our VSTS as the Azure DevOps Solution template deck. My name is Willy Schaub, and I'm a program manager with the VSTS Community team. I'm honored to be joined by Henry, one of our phenomenal ALM DevOps Rangers. Henry, can you quickly introduce yourself?
Yes, of course. My name is Henry Been. I am from the Netherlands. I have been one of the Rangers for a year now, and for over 5 years I've been working with VSTS, your ALM solution.
Great. So let's introduce two of the PowerPoint slides which are part of that template, which you can reuse as is or adapt to fit your specific session context.
Well, I think it might be good to just quickly share what's the goal of this template, Willy.
Yeah, the goal is to visualize and emphasize that we, as in the VSTS team and our collaboration solution, can work together with other platforms and languages.
So can you please walk me through one of the slides?
This is the first of the two templates that you will find in the deck. Satya makes us use the tools we sell to our customers and collaborate together as one Microsoft. It's been a big culture shift inside the company, as well as with, for example, the ALM DevOps Rangers, and it's all been enabled by Visual Studio Team Services, or VSTS. It's our collaboration solution for engineering teams, allowing you to take an idea, to plan, develop, test, release, and monitor your solution. Whether you're targeting the cloud, the hybrid cloud, .NET, open source, VSTS is our recommended DevOps solution for any language, any platform.
Okay, thank you for clearing that up. So, how do you use this slide in your presentations?
I use it in decks I create for events or to have conversations around DevOps and VSTS, or if we want to actually talk about how we do DevOps within the Rangers community. I'm also excited to see the slide and the variations thereof appearing in other decks and documentation. It's really great because it highlights that we are sharing a consistent view and message. So Henry, what are your thoughts on the linear visualization? You mentioned previously that you've been puzzled by it.
Yeah, I've been looking at this slide for a while, and now I know its origin is in when there were still just ALM solutions. But to me, it really takes away 2 points. And the first one is that you can start off using just VSTS as your primary ALM or DevOps solution, and that you can start adding other tools when you need them, but you will always have VSTS at the middle, coordinating everything. And the second thing I really like about this slide is that it emphasizes that DevOps, and Agile for that matter, consist of a lot of activities that are either related to planning or testing, releasing, monitoring, and that you perform them all through one another and not just in one linear fashion and then start from the start again.
When you actually use this slide in your sessions, do you cover the monitor and learn leg?
Yes, I do. Because I think, well, testing is the first thing that goes out of the window when the pressure is on a team, right? But monitoring and learning is a thing a lot of teams even don't start with. And I think that's really a shame, because you're going to find the things you need there to do your next planning cycle. I also got a question for you. I'm just wondering, if you introduce this slide at a presentation, where do you start? Do you address all 4 legs at once, or do you go through them one by one?
No, it really depends on the context. For quick overviews, I prefer to bring up the complete slide with all 4 legs and all the third-party tooling on the presentation and talk through them as we did on the previous slide. For in-depth process discussions, it's probably a good idea to add more animation to enable you to show and cover each leg in detail. It's really up to you, the audience, and the context.
Okay, well, I hope everybody has some idea of how to use this slide now, but I can imagine people have a lot more questions. Where can they find answers if they have?
The easiest way, if you have a question or if you would like a copy of this template deck, is to ping us on Twitter.
Okay, well, I think that's a wrap then. Thank you, Willy, for chatting with me, and to everybody else, thank you for listening.